I'm Cameo Jenkins. I'm here with Derek Salazar. He is the lawn maintenance manager at ABC Home and Commercial Services, and we are talking lawns today. How short should I cut my grass?
It depends on the turf. So if we're dealing with St. Augustine, get it around 3.5 to 4 inches. Keep it as high as you possibly can so it doesn't put so much stress on it.
Okay.
And if it's Bermuda, it's going to be a bit shorter, somewhere around that 2 to 2.5 inch mark.
I've been told not to bag my yard clippings. What do I do with them after I mow my lawn?
You should mulch them. So mulch
Okay.
them, return them back to the turf, provides beneficial nutrients to the soil, and as long as your grass is being maintained on a regular basis, if it's been a while since it's been mowed, then you might have to bag that initial service so you don't build up thatch, but mulching is perfect for it. And then it also keeps it out of the landfill.
Yes. How often should I be watering my grass?
You need to know your turf and look at the indicators. On St. Augustine, look at the blade. It's going to kind of fold in half when it needs water. With the temperatures that are rising in the mid-90s at this time of year, it's not uncommon to have to water maybe every other day, and it just depends on the type of soil that you have, the type of sprinkler systems you have, if it's, you know, a rotary, if it's a spray head.
Okay.
Just look out for that. You know, if you have an irrigation system, set it to come on about every 2 days, adjust your zones accordingly.
I'm sure you get this question a lot. Lawn equipment is expensive, it's an investment. Is it worth it to just call out a lawn crew, or is the investment better?
Depends if you want to spend the time. You got to worry about storage. You need to look at the maintenance of it. You got to determine what kind of equipment you're going to get. Is it going to be electric? Is it going to be gas? Is it regular gas? Is it 2-cycle? There's a lot of things to consider when you're doing that.
So can you tell me a little bit about ABC's lawn service that y'all provide?
We provide residential and commercial services, mowing, edging, and blowing as far as basic, and then it can go up from there if you want beds included, shrubs included, and it can be on a regular schedule.
Well, if y'all have any other questions, feel free to check out our blog. We answer a lot there. Thank you so much, Derek, and call ABC Home and Commercial Services and get your weekend back.